Welcome to today's review on JBL MA510 5.2 channel 8K AV receiver. Today we will explore its features, performance, and overall value for your entertainment setup. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this AV receiver at the best price in the market. This receiver delivers a strong combination of modern video support and immersive audio that enhances movies, music, and gaming experiences at home. It is designed for users who want reliable performance without unnecessary complexity or confusion. JBL MA510 delivers strong home theater performance with 5.2 channel output and powerful amplification for immersive sound experience with seamless HDMI connectivity and advanced video support for modern entertainment systems and reliable daily use in any living room setup, offering consistent performance and user-friendly operation for beginners and enthusiasts alike. Experience immersive audio performance on JBL MA510 stands out with clear, balanced sound output that enhances movies, music, and games with rich detail and powerful bass response, delivering cinematic listening experience in compact form factor suitable for home entertainment enthusiasts seeking quality sound reproduction with precise channel separation and stable amplification across all volume levels. Sound excellence proven. Video capabilities support 8K resolution, ensuring sharp and detailed visuals with HDMI inputs, allowing multiple device connections and one output with eARC support for modern televisions and seamless playback of high-quality content from gaming consoles, streaming devices, and cable boxes, compatible with latest video encoding formats for smooth performance and clarity enhancement. Output optimized. Native support for Dolby and DTS decoding brings immersive surround sound experience that fills the room with dynamic audio layers, enhancing movies and gaming with precise spatial effects and realistic sound movement for a true cinematic environment at home, delivering theater-like immersion with balanced frequency output and clear dialogue reproduction. Sound precision enhanced experience. Wireless streaming options include Bluetooth, Apple AirPlay, and Google Chromecast, allowing easy playback from smartphones, tablets, and computers, providing flexible music and audio access across different platforms with stable connectivity and high-quality transmission for everyday listening convenience, supporting seamless integration with smart devices and reliable wireless performance for modern users. Stream quality. Consistent output. Easy Set EQ simplifies setup process by automatically adjusting audio settings for optimal sound performance, making installation quick and user-friendly, while on-screen guidance ensures smooth configuration for both beginners and advanced users seeking hassle-free setup experience, improving accessibility and reducing setup complexity for home entertainment systems significantly with intuitive guided optimization steps included. Gaming performance is enhanced with low-latency audio processing and stable HDMI connections, supporting smooth gameplay experiences with realistic sound effects and responsive audio synchronization across consoles and gaming systems, delivering competitive advantage for immersive entertainment sessions. Optimized for modern gaming setups with consistent performance and clear directional audio output experience. Enhance realism gaming. Key advantages include powerful sound output, versatile connectivity options, 8K video support, wireless streaming capability, easy setup process, and stylish white design, making it suitable for modern home theater environments, while delivering reliable performance for movies, music, and gaming, offering balanced audio quality and seamless integration with entertainment systems. Overall strong user satisfaction rating. Some limitations include moderate power output compared to higher-tier models, limited advanced customization options, and fewer HDMI ports for extensive setups, which may not suit large home theater installations or users seeking maximum performance levels. Audio channels may feel restricted for advanced audiophile requirements and professional-level configurations, limiting high-end flexibility usage. Overall, JBL MA510 delivers impressive home entertainment performance, combining modern features, strong audio quality, and versatile connectivity, making it a valuable choice for users seeking an affordable yet powerful AV receiver that enhances movie, music, and gaming experiences. Significantly consider purchasing through the link provided in description for best available deal. Highly recommended purchase.